I'm actually grinning like a fool because I really like my glasses. It's such a lovely day today. I figured I'd do my smart eyeglasses unboxing outside. Let's see what we've got. This is the first pair. And they're all my prescription and they're all done online. Wow, I really like these. The whole process of ordering them from smarteyeGlasses.com was really easy. I just sent them my prescription and chose the frames I like. And they were really reasonably priced. The ones at the opticians are like $500 or $600 each. These were frames about $20 and the prescription were a little more. So clear. They're great. They do also have designer pairs. These are a pair of Ray-Bans, and these are transition lenses, so they start off as normal glasses that I can wear all day, but then in the sunlight they turn to dark. These are Ray-Bans, and I really like them. SmarteyeGlasses.com, they've got really good glasses. It's quite fun because you get to mix up the styles that you normally wear, and because it's your face, it's like a really good accessory. I really like them. They were fantastic to work with, very easy to order online, and I highly recommend them. So thank you very much. Goodbye.